wrote a little argument and checked the figures twice. I followed where the evidence led and tried to keep it precise. I fixed the spelling, cut the fluff, and made the meaning clear. Then someone read the whole damn thing and gave me this reply to hear. Hey, I slop, 2 little words,
Job done.
no need to show me where I failed.
No evidence required.
No broken fact, no faulty sum.
No premise put on trial.
Just throw the label at the page
and walk away in style.
but tell me where the logic broke.
Tell me what I got wrong. If the claim cannot survive the test, it shouldn't last for long.
Argue the point, not the tool.
Show me the error, show me the rule.
2 + 2 is still 4.
Whoever opened up the door,
Call it human, call it machine.
truth does not care how the words got clean.
Bring me your reason,
Bring me your proof.
argue the point, not the tool. He said the machine just steals the words and pastes them into place.
I asked him how he knew that claim and watched him change the case.
Well, copyright, he answered then.
Then power from the grid.
Then jobs, then art, then human worth, then everything it ever did.
By supper time it killed the schools.
By midnight art was gone.
At 1:30 the robots rose and Skynet marched at dawn.
Each charge could fall, another came.
The verdict stayed the same.
When judgment comes before the facts,
You only change the name.
ask the hard questions, everyone.
Put every claim on trial.
But changing charges one by one
Does not make the first worthwhile.
argue the point, not the tool.
Show me the error, show me the rule.
2 + 2 is still 4.
Whoever opened up the door,
Call it human, call it machine.
truth does not care how the words got clean.
Bring me your reason,
Bring me your proof.
argue the point, hey, not the tool. Hey. They tell me that it has no soul, well, neither does my pen. My camera never saw the dawn and wished to see again. A fiddle never mourned a friend, a brush has never dreamed. A hammer never wanted home, however fine the beams. My drone cannot admire the coast or wonder at the sea. The machine may hold the camera, but the meaning comes through me. The tool does not become the hand does not become the mind.
Judge the thing that someone made and judge the truth you find. But do not hear me saying there is nothing here to fear. There are questions worth demanding and some answers are unclear.
Who owns the work that trained the model? Who controls the data store?
What happens when a useful tool starts closing someone's door?
Who watches what the systems learn?
Who profits from the change?
What happens when convincing lies
can travel far and straight?
Those questions need a serious fight.
Not slogans thrown about.
Real skepticism tests a claim.
It does not simply show.
Ask about the workers.
Ask about the lies.
Ask about surveillance.
Ask who gets to decide.
Ask about the copyright.
Ask about the cost.
Ask what should be guarded.
Ask what might be lost.
But if one claim falls apart,
Do not pretend it stood.
a bad argument against a thing does not
become one good. And here is where the joke comes back and points its finger home.
If every critic gets dismissed,
Before their case is known.
if I shout AIDS and anyone who doubts, then I have built the same old wall I said we should tear out. A label from the other side is still a label thrown.
It cannot make the form
jokes and keep your wit.
But when the talking starts,
bring evidence into the room and argue all their parts. Argue the point, not the tool.
show me the error, show me the rule.
2 + 2 is still 4.
Whoever opened up the door,
Call it human, call it machine.
truth does not care how the words got clean.
Bring me your reason,
Bring me your proof.
argue the point, not the tool.
Argue the point, not the name.
Test every fact and test every claim.
If I am wrong,
Then show me where.
I will meet the evidence there.
No sacred human,
No sacred machine,
no magic label.
hiding between.
Strip all the slogans down to the roots.
Argue the point,
Not the tools. There is the word,
and there is the there,
there is the label.
and what it means.
You can praise it,
You can condemn it,
you can call it what you choose.
but after all the shouting ends,
Reality still gets a vote.